Go to this repository and clone it or download it in your system. Open the folder in VS Code, install all the requirement. Open myapp.py file. If you are using localhost, then uncomment the localhost part and comment out MongoDB URL, or else change it to your own MongoDB URL. Open terminal, run the code. Open the localhost link. If there will be any error, then it will show in the terminal log. In this case, there is no error, database is loaded successfully. Click on Open Scanner and scan the number plate. Click on View Recognized Plate URL. A new tab will open and it will refresh in every 5 seconds to show the scanned number plate. On tapping the yesterday's data, it will show the past 24 hours history. On clicking the All Records, it will show all vehicles details saved in the database. You can add new vehicle data by clicking on Add Vehicle Details. After adding the new record, it will start showing in All Records section. Thank you for watching. Download the project using the link given in description.